Hey, what is up guys? Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes in the world of food factories? How these incredible machines work their magic and create wonders? Today, my friends, we embark on a captivating journey into the realm of food factory machines that will leave you awestruck. So, without further ado, let's dive into this enthralling adventure. Behold the Egg Lifter, a machine that redefines efficiency in eggshell removal. Imagine the sight of 15 eggs gracefully placed into this marvel, only to emerge moments later with their shells effortlessly removed. With its two robotic arms delicately handling each egg, the process is both fascinating and mesmerizing. Thousands of eggshells are discarded daily, thanks to this ingenious invention, making the work of humans significantly easier and more efficient. But what about everyone's favorite guilty pleasure? Pizza! Have you ever witnessed a pizza being created in a factory? Allow me to introduce you to the pizza making robot. Picture the scene. A conveyor belt carries the pizza bread forward, ready to be transformed into a delicious masterpiece. With incredible precision, robotic hands spread the sauce. Toppings are added and the pizza takes shape. The final touch is a trip to the oven for a perfect bake. Once it's prepared, the pizza is carefully packed and sent off to satisfy the cravings of pizza lovers everywhere. Let's not forget the Trief cutting machine, a true game changer in the meat industry. With its efficient design, this machine transforms large chunks of meat into perfectly sliced pieces. The process is a symphony of precision as the meat is placed, pressed, and swiftly chopped into smaller portions. In just a matter of minutes, hundreds of large pieces of meat are transformed into a meat for the senses. It's a testament to how technology can revolutionize traditional practices and meet the demands of a hungry world. Now, prepare to have your perception changed with a potato packaging machine. Can you imagine potatoes, a humble commodity, being packed and sold at high prices in distant lands? This marvel of engineering takes on the responsibility of packaging potatoes into neat packets. Swiftly and accurately, it ensures that each packet contains an equal number of potatoes. As the packets travel along the conveyor belt, they are bundled into large boxes, ready to be sent off to the market. It's astonishing how innovation can elevate a simple vegetable to new heights. Let's take a detour to the realm of French fries. The French fries making line holds the key to turning potatoes into golden, crispy delights. The process begins as the potatoes are fed into the machine, which meticulously washes and cleans them. Then, like a master sculptor, it skillfully cuts the potatoes into the iconic French fry shape. The result? A tantalizing treat ready to be savored by fries enthusiasts worldwide. Moving on to our next spectacle, we encounter the Weber Slice folding device. With lightning speed, it effortlessly folds countless slices, a task that would take a human an eternity to accomplish. The secret lies in its ingenious system, designed to fold slices with remarkable efficiency. Witnessing this machine in action is nothing short of magical, and it leaves a lasting impression on anyone lucky enough to witness its artistry. Now, brace yourself for the grand finale. The fully automatic pizza maker. Unlike its predecessors, this machine requires no human intervention. From the moment flour is added, the entire pizza making process unfolds automatically. The dough is kneaded and transformed into a pristine sheet, which is then expertly shaped and cut. Robotic hands flawlessly apply the sauce, creating a canvas ready to be adorned with toppings. This magnificent machine brings together art and technology, ensuring that every pizza it creates is a masterpiece in its own right. But our journey doesn't end there. Allow me to introduce to you the Cake-O-Matic 1000i, a machine that fills cake with cream and beautifully decorates them in mere seconds. With utmost precision, it artfully spreads cream on various types of cakes, offering a multitude of flavors and design options. This remarkable machine has gained popularity worldwide for its ability to create delectable and visually stunning cakes. Though it may be less common in our country, its impact is undeniable, and one can only hope that it will soon find its place in kitchens everywhere. Now, let's explore a machine that may not be fully automatic, but is a boon for housewives: the commercial tomato cutter. This versatile machine can cut not only tomatoes, but other vegetables, making salad preparation a breeze. Simply add the tomatoes, push them forward, and watch as they are effortlessly transformed into small, uniform pieces. From finely chopped tomatoes to a perfectly diced onions and lemons, this machine brings convenience and efficiency to every kitchen. Have you ever seen a toffee machine that can amaze you with its mesmerizing process? Picture this. A toffee paste is delicately poured onto the first layer of the machine, and like a masterpiece in the making, it begins its transformation. Slowly, the paste takes shape and progresses, ultimately forming a perfect round toffee. The cutter swoops in, effortlessly separating the toffee into smaller pieces, ready for packaging. This fully automated marvel can produce thousands of toffees at a time, leaving us in awe of its flawless precision. Lastly, let us marvel at the apple cutting machine. While it may require human operation, its automated cutting process is nothing short of extraordinary. Place an apple into this machine and witness the robotic hands effortlessly slicing it into various shapes. With each apple inserted, the machine delivers precise cuts that leave you astounded. While it may not be an everyday tool, it has revolutionized the apple cutting process in large-scale factories, saving both time and money for those involved. And so, dear viewers, we reach the end of our awe-inspiring journey through the realm of food factory machines. From toffees to potatoes, from pizzas to cakes, and everything in between. These marvels of engineering have forever changed the way we produce and experience food. We hope you found this exploration as fascinating as we did. With that said, thanks for joining us on this captivating adventure. Until next time, take care.